Okay, everyone. So now we are going to discuss the program to print series, and the series is given 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Now this n value we don't know, so we will take the n value from the user. That means we will take the number from the user. So if I go with the program, hash include stdio.h, then hash include conio.h, void main. Inside that we are having int n. So one variable n is declared, then one variable I is declared, then s. So as these are the three variables of integer type are declared. Then clear screen. So screen is cleared. Printf, enter the value of n. So the message on the user screen will be enter the value of n. So user has entered the value as 10. Now scanf percentage %d, that is for integer value, and n means at the address of n the value 10 is stored. So we know that the series will go up till 10. Now for running the loop we have to know the starting value. We know that the start value, that is called the initialization, is 1. End value, we know that is 10, or we can say n. The n is entered by the user. And we know increment or decrement. So to find the increment or decrement, we will see the next value. You see that the next value is 2, then further is 3, and so on. That means the increment is plus 1. Again, increment here is plus 1. So between 1 and 2 increment is 1, 2 and 3 increment is 1. So we know that we have to increment by 1. So now we are working with the for loop for I is equal to 1, because the start value we are having is 1. Then condition that I less than equal to n. Now the condition is check whether I less than equal to n. So if I check the condition that 1 is less than 10, that is true. So program will come down. Printf percentage %d I. So this value will be given from I to percentage %d. So the value will be printed of I, and I is 1. So 1 is printed on the user screen. Now we want that sum of series should be displayed after running the for loop here. So that's why we are saying sum is equal to sum plus I. Initially we have to initialize s is equal to 0 also, because there should be some value of sum. Let us suppose it is 0. So if I say s is equal to s plus I, that means 0 plus 1, because that is 0 and that is 1. The sum of both is 1. So the new value of sum is 1 right now. Afterward it will again go back I plus plus. The value of I become 2 now. Checking the condition, I less than n, 2 less than 10 is true. It will again come down, printing the I. So I printed is 2. Again come down. S is equal to S plus I. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So the new value of S will be 3. Come back. I plus plus. The value of I is 3. Again coming back. Then 3 less than equal to 10, because I less than equal to n. So true. Again come down. Printing the value of I. So the 3 is printed. S is equal to S plus I. So 3 plus 3 is 6. The new value of S is 6. Again coming back, I plus plus. The value of I is 4. Again checking the condition, I less than equal to n. That means 4 is less than equal to 10. True. Again come down, printing the I. So 4 is printed. Similarly, it is going to work for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And all the sum is going to be executed up till the value of 10. Once the value become 11, so it will check the condition whether I less than equal to n means 11 is less than equal to 10, but neither 11 is less than 10 nor 11 is equal to 10. So condition will become false. It will come out, and afterward it will say printf, printing on the screen /n for the new line, sum of series. So whatever the value of s is there, that will be given, and at the last the value of sum will be 1341. So that value will be printed. Sum of series is 1341, and get ch4 holding the screen program will come out. So that is the program to print the series 1, 2, 3 up to n.